गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। एस वी ऑलरेडी कम्प्लीटेड मेजोरिटी, बहुत ज़्यादा पार्ट तो हमने रिवीजन का कंप्लीट कर लिया है। खाली गिव रीजन का एक बाकी है और आंसर द फॉलोइंग बाकी है, जो ये लेक्चर में मैं कंटिन्यू करूँगी। बेटा उसके पहले कोई पेरेंट्स का डाउट था कि मिस आप हमको जो गिव रीजन है एक बार वापस बोलिए, क्योंकि मैं फिफ्थ वाला बोलने वाली थी, लास्ट फिफ्थ वाला, उनको फर्स्ट टू फोर्थ एक बार वापस बोलना है। मैं खाली आंसर रीड आउट करूँगी ताकि आप वापस समझ याद आ जाए कि मैंने क्या लास्ट टाइम कराया था। गिव रीजन फर्स्ट वाला था, द स्मोक फ्रॉम द कोल स्टोव ब्लैकेंस द किचन वॉल। उसका आंसर है द स्मोक फ्रॉम द कोल स्टोव ब्लैकेंस द किचन वॉल बिकॉज coal gives out smoke which is black, making the kitchen wall also black. Question 2 of a give reason. Diet differ from person to person. Answer है age, physical labor and state of health cause diet to differ from person to person. Now come to question number 3. Why wild animals kill and carry away cattle? उसका आंसर है wild animals kill and carry away cattle because they are starved and are forced to enter nearby villages. Now come to question number 4. In a crowded place, we find it difficult to breathe. In crowded place, we find it difficult to breathe since the amount of oxygen in the air reduces and carbon dioxide increases due to respiration. बेटा ये चार की रीजन मैंने फर्स्ट लास्ट रिवीजन था उसमें दिया था, कंटिन्यू लास्ट जो की रीजन है वो मैं अभी दे रही हूँ, लिखो there 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 is 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 shortage SHORTAG shortage of 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 water 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 in in some 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 places PLACES places. आंसर लिखो there 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 is 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 shortage 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 of 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 water 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 in some 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 places 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 because 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 adequate ADEQUATE educate efforts 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 RARER not 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 made 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 to TO2 store 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 rain 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 water WATER water. वापस आंसर बोल रही, सुनो. There is shortage of water in some places because adequate efforts are not made to store rain water. Question number 4. Answer the following question. उसका फर्स्ट वाला देखो. First, from 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 where 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 do do the the plants 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 in the the forest 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 get get water 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 they they need and ED need. Answer rain 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 water 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 ships SEEPS ships in to TO2 the the soil 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 full stop roots 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 of 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 plants 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 spread 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 deep 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 into TO2 the the soil 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 and and absorb 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 the the water WATER water. आंसर लिखते वापस. Rain water seeps into the soil full stop. Roots of plants spread deep into the soil and absorb the water. To question number 2. Why, W-H-Y, why do big, B-I-G, big, cities, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities, need, N-E-E-D, need, more, M-O-R-E, more, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. आंसर लिखो. Population, P-O-P-U-L-A-T-I-O-N, population, in, in, big, B-I-G, big, cities, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities, is, very, V-E-R-Y, very, high, H-I-G-H, high, comma, hence, H-E-N-C-E, hence, cities, C-I-T-I-E-S, cities, need, N-E-E-D, need, more, M-O-R-E, more, water, W-A-T-E-R, water. मैं बोल रही हूँ वापस. Population in big cities is very high, hence cities need more water. Now come to question number 3. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where, does, D-O-E-S, does, the, T-H-E, the, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, in, in, your, Y-O-U-R, your, house, H-O-U-S-E, house, come, C-O-M-E, come, from, F-R-O-M, from. आंसर लिखो. Pipelines, P-I-P-E-L-I-N-E-S, pipelines, R-A-R-E-R, used, U-S-E-D, used, to, T-O-2, carry, C-A-R-R-Y, carry, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, from, F-R-O-M, from, distant, D-I-S-T-A-N-T, distant, wells, W-E-L-L-S, wells, comma, lakes, L-A-K-E-S, lakes, and A-N-D, and water, W-A-T-E-R, tanks, T-A-N-K-X, tanks, to, T-O-2, our, O-U-R, our, homes, H-O-M-E-S, homes, in, in, some, S-O-M-E, some, areas, A-R-E-A-S, areas, comma, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, is, is, also, A-L-S-O, also, supplied, S-U-P-P-L-I-A-D, supplied, through, T-H-R-O-U-G-H, through, tankers, T-A-N-K-E-R-S, tankers. मैं वापस आंसर बोल रही हूँ. Pipelines are used to carry water from distant wells, lakes, and water tanks to our homes. In some areas, water is also supplied through tankers. समझ में आया? Now question number 4. Where, W-H-E-R-E, where a spring, S-P-R-I-N-G, spring, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, from, F-R-O-M, from. आंसर लिखो. Some, S-O-M-E, some, rain water, R-A-I-N, rain, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, seeps, S-E-E-P-S, seeps, into, in, T-O-2, the, T-H-E, the, ground, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground, full stop. This, T-H-I-S, this, water, W-A-T-E-R, water, comes, C-O-M-E-S, comes, out, O-U-T, out, in, the, T-H-E, the, form, F-O-R-M, form, of, O-F, of, springs, S-P-R-I-N-G-S, springs. वापस बोल रही हूँ आंसर. Some rainwater seeps into the ground. This water comes out in the form of spring. बेटा अभी now question number 5. और 5 लिखना है आपको. लिखा आपने question number 5. What, W-H-A-T, what, do, D-U, do, you, Y-O-U, feel, F-I-L-L, feel, in, in, to, T-O-2, a, balloon, B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon, when, W-H-E-N, when, you, blow, B-L-O-W, blow, it, I-T, it. Answer, WEV, feel, FILL, feel, air, 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 in, to, TO2, a balloon, 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 when, 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 WEV, blow, 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 it, it. ओके, एक बार वापस बोल रही सुनो. We feel air into a balloon when we blow it. Now come to question number 6. Why, WHY, do, foxes, 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 not, not, hunt, 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 a cow, 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 even, 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 when, 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 they, 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 enter, 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 human, 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 settlement, SETTLEMENTS, settlements. आंसर लिखो. Foxes, 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 dare, 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 to, TO2, enter, 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 human, 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 settlement, SETTLEMENTS, settlements, but, 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 RAR, not, 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 SASS, strong, 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 SASS, tigers, TIGERS, tigers. Full stop. They, 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 cannot, 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 kill, 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 comma, cattle, 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 RARE, mostly, 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 contain, CONTENT, contain, with, 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 stealing, STALING, stealing, foal, FOWL, foal. आंसर बोल रही हूँ वापस. Foxes dare to enter human settlement but are not as strong as tiger. They cannot kill cattle, are mostly contained with stealing foal. Now come to question number 7. How, 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 does, 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 the, 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 use, 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 of, 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 firewood, 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 harm, 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 the, 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 environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment. आंसर लिखो. burning, 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 wood, 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 is, a, troublesome, TROUBLE, troublesome, SOME, some, tax, TASK, tax. Full stop. It, it, let's, LETS, let's, out, 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 a, lot, 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 off, OF, smoke, SMOKE, smoke. Full stop. Trees, 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 have, 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 to, TO2, BEB, cut, 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 for, FOR, wood, 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 full stop, which, 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 is, harmful, HARM, harmful, FUL, full, for, for, the, 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 environment, ENVIRONMENT, environment. ओके, मैं एक बार आंसर बोल रही सुनो. burning wood is a troublesome task, full stop. It lets out a lot of smoke, full stop. Trees have to be cut for wood, which is harmful for the environment. अभी लास्ट रिवीजन का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. what, 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 RARE, the, 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 advantages, 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 of, 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 using, 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 gas, 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 for, 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 cooking, COOKING, cooking. आंसर लिखो. it, it, is, easy, 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 to, TO2, use, 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 full stop. it, lights, 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 quickly, QUICKLY, and Does not, DOES, does not, NOT, not. Give, GIVE, give. Out, OUT, out. Smoke, 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 full stop. Cooking, COOKING, cooking. On, on. Gas, GAS, gas. Also, ALSO, also. Saves, SAVES, saves. Time, TIME, time. एक बार वापस बोल रही हूँ. It is easy to use, full stop. It lights quickly and does not give out smoke, full stop. Cooking on gas also saves time. So my dear children, the revision is over. Start get ready for your exam. लर्न करने को चालू करो. एक पेपर चालू होगा तो try to complete your revision and learning part. Okay.